How to make a cafe event in South Korea video.
This is how you have to organize a cupcake event. Happy birthday, thank you. Thank you, Magda, for coming here with me.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Lali. Please watch this till the end because meanwhile I'm gonna give footage. So much footage. I mean, so much. Let's see. Actually, I'm after the decorating the cafe, but you're gonna see it in the beginning of the video. So, because I'm recording this after, you're gonna see it before. So, how to organize the cup sleeve event. What I did. I was organizing the cup sleeve event all the month. I was organizing this. Today is like Korean time, 11th of December. I started to organize it from the end of the October. How it went. So, first of all, I contacted my graphic designer and he designed for me cup sleeves and poster, and we were communicating, like the communication was very smooth. So yeah, he was from Belgium and he didn't want me to expose his personality, so I'm not gonna do that. But he was very nice, very professional graphic designer. He followed all my instructions and stuff. So what you're gonna do, first of all, find a good graphic designer who's gonna project, who's gonna make a project for you of your poster, your main poster, and your cup sleeve. And you have to have an idea for the birthday wishes, for the photos, and for the cup sleeves. Okay, the next important part is I found the company who actually printed for me the poster. This was a Lone Star. They also are printing for BMW and Louis Vuitton catalogs, so they printed this in a very professional way. So they printed my poster very quick, and I got the poster like in 2 days. Very nice, Lone Star. I'm gonna write, or I'm gonna just spell it Lonestar. You can Google them. After that, I contacted, but they don't print cup sleeves, so I'm gonna tell you. From cup sleeves, I found Costa Korea. You can also Google them. So, but I will write somewhere here the Costa Korea because I don't remember the right spelling. So I'm just gonna double check, and I'm gonna write here this. And the Coastal Korea printed for me 1000 cup sleeves. Also very quick, very nice conversation. Like, I don't know who is running the Kako account, but very nice conversation. So yeah, after that I received all my cup sleeves in a big package next to my door, and I was about to send this to the cafe, but then, meanwhile, I was waiting for my cup sleeves. I went to the cafe. I searched for the cafe. I did this in a Sweet East cafe. Very nice managers. One of them spoke Korean, one of them spoke a bit of English, but we solved it somehow, like my kind of problem and my request. They did this very professionally also. I really liked it, but it can be any cafe in South Korea, like any. You, for like better um like orientation in the cafes, just if you're interested in K-pop, you know what kind of cafes they are most likely to agree to organize this, because not everything. I used the Sweet East because I actually attended to Zella from BAP, the cup sleeve event, so I knew that they're gonna agree because I already knew that they are organizing the stuff like that. But if you don't know which one, like I recommend Itaewon. Itaewon is not a nice area by itself, but it's a nice area for organizing the cup sleeve events, and Hongdae. I can tell you what I remember. I remember like in Apgujeongrodeo, they are organizing that. In Bom, like Sweet Spring or something like this. This one, Sweet is obviously, and this one I remember the cafe, Katemoja, also is organizing that. But Katemoja is like next to in it's not Apgujeongrodeo, it's Jamsil. In this area, I have you can just check Katemoja where is it, because I'm not gonna guarantee that this is a good location. I'm telling because I've been to Gatimoja like 2 years ago. So anyway, after that, so the manager said yes, so you have to go there by person. Like I wrote them on Twitter, but they wrote to me back that I can come to them. And after that, we were talking. I will include footage in the end of this video because I was planning this for so long time, obviously. So yeah, I did this. And after that, I received the cup sleeves, like I said. So it's very hard to maintain or just send this to the post office, because my post office from my town is very far away. So what I did, I just sent this through 7-Eleven. My 7-Eleven clerk kind of he was so nice. He tried to communicate with me properly, and then he sent this to me, and I paid for shipping and stuff. So then the cup sleeves came to the Sweet East Cafe, and then on the right day and right plan, I took my poster and took my photos, because I also printed photos. I printed photos. You can print photos actually in every like with every photographer studio. Like every photo studio is gonna print photos for you. So I printed photos actually the day before. So also very nice service. Service. In English you would say service, but in Korea when you say service, it means that it's for free. Obviously it's not for free, but also the price. I'm not gonna tell you the price because I don't want to reveal like all the facts about me, but it depends on the company who's going to print you the poster. It depends on the company who's going to print you the cup sleeves. It depends on the design, how he or she is going to charge you. It depends on the photo studio. Every single place has a different price, and the renting of cafe. Also, it depends on the coffee shop, how much they're going to rent. If the coffee shop is obviously huge, will be more expensive. If it's small, will be cheaper. So it really depends on the place. So hard to say how much it's gonna be. But yeah, I didn't do the merch like. I'm so sleepy because I'm just after that. I didn't do the merch like photo cards, because obviously the person I was organizing the cup sleeve event isn't famous in Korea specifically. Maybe someone knows him, but I'm not really sure. So that's why I didn't do the merch. I just did the cup sleeves, and this cup sleeve are included to every single drink. So yeah, actually, I'm not gonna hide this. I'm very proud of myself and my work. I hope that the person will be very happy, and then I'm gonna include the footage. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
So happy and so disappointed at the same time. I mean, I'm so happy because I was talking to the managers. Oh, there's a bench. I talked to managers about the event and stuff, and they said yes, okay, sure. I mean, by the way, they were so handsome. It is 24th of November. It came to me, the cup sleeves, and now I need to send that to the coffee shop. Good luck for me. I have a pain in my back now because I lifted this maybe like in a wrong way. I don't know, but I have a pain from the arm till my like lower back, you know. It hurts me so much. I had other plans today, but I'm not gonna do them because I have pain. Like, you can see my hand is shaking. Okay, it's one day before I received photos, and I'm gonna show. This is how this turned out, and we have it. Say hi.
I'd like to help you more, but
Justin Bieber. I love you. I will also not stay here all the time. I will go also for eating something.